In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page orientation of your document in Google Docs. Whether you're setting up a new document or adjusting an existing one, switching between portrait and landscape is a breeze. So let's dive into it and get your document looking just the way you want. First, you'll want to open your document in Google Docs. If you haven't already got it open, head over to docs.google.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the document you want to work with, or if you're starting from scratch, click on blank to begin a new document. Now that you're inside your document, let's focus on the menu at the top of your screen. You'll notice several options up there, but the one you want is File. Go ahead and click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Page Setup. This will open up a dialog box where you can change various page settings. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll see a couple of orientation options. By default, most documents in Google Docs are set to portrait orientation, which is vertical. You can identify this setting because portrait will be highlighted, or there will be a small dot next to it. If portrait is what you need, you don't have to change anything. However, if you're aiming to switch to landscape orientation, which is horizontal, simply click on landscape to select it. Here's a little tip for you. If you often find yourself using the same orientation and want to save some time in the future, you can set your preferred orientation as the default. Just click on the Set as Default button while you've got your desired orientation selected. This way, every new document you create in Google Docs will automatically open in that layout. And of course, if you ever change your mind, you can always follow these steps again to modify the default setting. Once you've made your selection between portrait and landscape, all that's left to do is click OK. By clicking OK, you'll apply your chosen orientation to your document immediately, and you'll see your page switch right before your eyes. Your text and content will adjust to fit the new layout, which can greatly enhance the readability or overall presentation of your document. There you have it. You've just learned how to change and set your page orientation in Google Docs effortlessly. Whether you're working on an academic paper, creating a brochure, or preparing a presentation, selecting the right page orientation can make a big difference in how your document is perceived. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you customize your documents more efficiently in the future.